Hello, welcome guys to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to look at button edit. Now we go to the toolbox and from here we write button edit. Now we move it over our form 1. Let's resize it. Now let's run it how it looks like. As you see that this is exactly like combo box edit. We can edit it, but we don't want this one, and we have to change the color, back color of it. First go to the properties. From properties, text edit style, we set a disable text edit style, and also from appearance focused, and here we'll say light channel. And now let's try it. As you see that you cannot edit anymore. So here what we are going to do, we will add another form 2 name, and then we will write any city name inside the text box. Whenever we close it, it will transfer to inside our combo box edit. Let's go and add a new form. Right click on DevExpress, and then from DevExpress item form I will write form 2. Now here let's add a text box, text edit and simple button. On text edit, another one is simple button. Let's resize a little bit, something like this. Let's name this components. Say city name. We say button transfer, or let's say send city name, and here we'll say send city name. Let's put image inside our simple button. Let's which one choose it. It's this one. Something like this, yeah. Now in order to send any data from form 2 to form 1, first we have to create a static field in form 1, and let's go VF codes. Here I will declare a static field. You say public static, because in public we could access from other form. Static is like we don't need to get instance from form 1 directly. We can reach it whenever we write like form 1 static, and let's say string, because we are going to send a text, and let's say name. And now from form 2 we double click send city name, then we try to find our field. It's form 1, since it is inside the form 1, dot name equal takes the city name text. Now whenever we click this button, our form 1 name field, it will be whatever we have written inside our text edit. So now we go to the form 1. Sorry. Now whenever we click our button edit, we want like a form 2 to be showed for us as a dialog. So we go properties, from events. Let's first name this also. Let's say button city name. From events, here button click. Let's double click these events. Let's write it. If you want to access another form, we just simply have to declare it, form2, new form2, and then we say form2 show dialog. Now let's run it. So if we click here, as you see that, it's like form2 is showing us, but we cannot do anything. We have to, if we don't close it, we cannot access to form1. Let's close it. Now, whenever we write any city name, let's say for example, if I write my city name Mardin, when I send city name, and this city name, it will be set inside our combo box edit. Let's do how we'll do it. So since when is our show dialog is appearing before we close, the program is just stay here, you know. If I write under this one, whenever we close it, then other line it will be compiling. So let's say btn city name text equal name. Now let's go running. What will happen? Here, let's write Mardin, sorry. And when I click the city name, this name field, it will be set with the Mardin. And when I close it, the program immediately from this line will go down, and then it will add our value inside our combo box edit. Let's press the send city name, and then close it. As you see that, like Mardin is selected. Let's add another one. Let's say Switzerland. So it's not going to. Let's say Berlin. And let's send it and close it. As you see, Berlin is selected. And yeah, this is something like this, what we can do. And